Spaghetti squash big, let's go. Put some holes in the squash, microwave it for 5 minutes, and then cut it, or it's going to be too hard. Remove the guts, you're going to salt and pepper it, then you're going to bake it face down. Now, here's my ingredients. Keep in mind, I just use whatever cheese I had. I work, I don't have time for that. So you see, so I have some peppers left over, onions left over, having whipping cream. I chose Italian sausage. You can use shrimp, chicken, whatever you into. Choose your protein. Got my ghetto amigos, onion powder, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. Add some Cajun. I like some red pepper because you know I'm sassy. Then you see your onions and peppers, and that is some sun-dried tomatoes. Chop them up. Once they're cooked down a little bit, you're going to add some garlic, add a pat of butter, and then you're just going to mix it down. Next, we're going to go in and I'm going to season. So you see my Cajun going down. You're going to see the onion, garlic, Italian seasoning, red pepper flakes. Do whatever you're comfortable with. This is totally adjustable to your taste buds, right? Also, your sodium level. Use an acid. It's going to lift it up. I didn't have any lemon, and I thought I had white wine. I didn't have that. I used lime, but you can do whatever is into you. I promise you it's not going to take like lemon and lime. So, cool. Add chicken broth. Now you're going to add your heavy whipping cream. I'm just eyeballing it. You can always add more later. You're going to see me do that. Next, we're going to add your cheese. I had like everything bagel cheese and some Monterey cheese. Again, I used what was on hand, Parmesan, Asiago, mozzarella, whatever you're into, that's cool. Now I'm going to cook down the sauce and then add some spinach. You want to thicken up the sauce, so you're going to cook it. In the meantime, my squash came out. Let it cool. I was pressed for time. I work, so I did it while it was hot, but you can let it cool. You're going to scrape the guts out and you're going to throw it in the pan. Here I'm going to adjust. I add a little bit more cheese, added a little bit more heavy whipping cream, and of course I adjusted my seasons and taste to make sure it was where I wanted it to be. Then I halfway filled the shell, added cheese in the middle, and then I'm going to put the rest in there and do cheese on top. I used some shredded cheese because I didn't feel like shredding any more cheese. I already had shredded cheese, and I'm just going to put a little Italian seasoning for look. Then you're going to bake it until the cheese melts to your liking. You can do light skin, you can do just brown and bubbling. I'm somewhere in the middle with it, and voila, here it is. Boom, low carb, delicious. You can even add bacon, do whatever, go crazy, enjoy.